came to visit a wonderful lady today, and I'm just loving the greens all over the place, and each one of them have something significant that they do.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. So, mom, so what were you saying about the
bay leaves.
Yeah.
The bay leaves is good when you cook like duck,
Okay.
chicken,
Yeah.
lamb,
Wow.
beef,
Wow.
because they contain a lot of fat. The fat in chicken and duck differ from the fat in beef and lamb.
Wow. Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. And this is the bay leaf that we're talking about.
Yes.
Is this one here?
Yes.
Wow. Wow. This one.
Yes,
One.
that's it. Yeah.
That's bay leaf. Oh. And then there was the one you were talking about, that is good. Say when
sage,
someone
sage. I cut it right back so that it can grow back.
Yeah. Wow.
I put that there for the cats not to. This is the sage.
Oh, that's the sage. Okay, so this one is good for.
Yes, when you cook chicken.
Yeah.
Because chicken is high in salmonella.
Yeah.
You use that to prevent the spread of salmonella.
Wow.
A lot of people think it is a seasoning or flavoring, but it's to destroy
the salmonella.
Yeah. So whenever you cook chicken,
put sage.
Yeah.
Wow. This is awesome. Yeah. And also I can see some tomatoes here as well. I think I saw some tomatoes. Wow. And that one has
This
awesome.
year,
Look at this one as well.
yes, I picked some this morning and had some. Yes, and I've got thyme.
Okay, that's thyme.
Thyme, yes.
Wow. I can even smell the, I can smell the scent. Yeah,
Yes.
I can smell the scent. And then what about this one?
That one is rosemary.
Rosemary.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, rosemary is best not to boil it. You put it towards the end of your cooking, and then it gives that. All these are protective herbs when you cook. Yes.
Wow, this
Thyme
is amazing.
Is good for during the
can
when you have the flu.
Okay, I
That's
can
spring
see
onion.
spring onions. Okay. Oh,
Yes.
awesome.
So what I do when I pull up the spring onion,
Yeah.
I cut it, and the bottom half, where the roots are,
Yeah.
I replant it.
So the roots that we normally chuck away, we put them in the
plant
bin.
it, yes.
Ooh.
You plant it, and then it make babies, and then it flowers, and you can plant the seeds.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well done. And also
now that's
I can
a lemon tree.
Okay, lemon tree.
Yes.
Okay.
I planted this one little pip from a lemon.
Yeah.
I bought lemon from Lidl, and I planted one little pip, and that's the tree
And
I got from.
It's growing now.
Yes.
Wow.
I left it outside in the winter, and all the leaves had died off. But then it's come back in the spring. And then the aloe vera.
Wow, how the aloe vera. Yeah, this aloe vera, oh my word. That's it does a lot of things.
Yes.
Yeah. Skin care.
Yes, hair care.
Yeah, hair care.
Mouth care.
Wow.
Your system care.
Yeah. Wow,
Yes.
that's aloe vera. And also this one?
That one is the olive.
Olive. Oh, wow. Okay. So where we get all our olives that we awesome.
Yes.
Anyway.
Strawberry.
Wow, strawberry. Awesome.
Yes, and that one is basil or basil. Some people call it basil. Yes.
Okay. I think that one is used for
You can use it for
sandwiches?
drink, for cough. When you have bad cough, bad chest.
Okay. That's
Yes.
basil,
They
right?
use it a lot, yes.
Okay.
It's nice in tomatoes.
Oh,
Yeah.
awesome. Well done. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mom Martha. Thank you. Yes, I'm gonna still come round and have a look at quite a few of them. There are so many, so many, so many of them here. Wow, awesome, awesome. Yeah, this is amazing.
And I've left this basil to seed.
Okay,
You know?
that's the basil, right?
Yes.
Oh, this one that looks a little bit like
This one is a type of cactus. It bears a beautiful red flower. But because I cut it down, I cut it down too late.
Yeah.
So
okay.
It's not in flower this year, but it's
Wow. And this one looks like saint leaf.
No, this one is what you call some people call it hortensia, but hydrangea. Somebody asked me for a plant, so I just put that plant there for somebody.
Wow. Awesome. Thank you so much. You said this one is...
This is a different type of thyme.
Okay.
Now this one is very good. You know, people who eat lots of spicy foods.
Yeah.
Or if you have indigestion,
yeah,
you just draw a leaf of it, drink it unsweetened.
Okay.
And it clears indigestion.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's the thyme, right?
Yeah. Large leaf thyme.
Wow. Awesome. So you see, most of the things that we go in front of the doctors to sit down and ask for medication, if we have this knowledge, we wouldn't be doing those.
Yourself.
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome.
Because a lot of the medications you take, they have side effects.
Absolutely. Absolutely. But these ones are natural,
And of course, if you take your medication with fruit juice, it's not good. It's not as effective as drinking it with water.
Absolutely. Wow.
Yes, because the fruit juice will change the chemical structure.
Wow. Thank you so much.
This is laden with chilies.
Okay, these ones are chilies.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
That's different from Scotch bonnet, right?
Yes.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
So actually, you can...
Potato.
Oh dear. You can start fresh, from your garden and then make a meal,
Yes.
without
There's
going
blueberry.
anywhere. Let's see blueberry.
Yes.
Ooh, awesome.
But this year the birds had a feast.
They came and helped themselves.
Yes, so I let them because it's so dry. Let them have a feast.
Absolutely. Oh,
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, this is the hydrangea. It's suffering from the heat. Hydrangea. It doesn't matter how much rain there is. Hydrangea still wants water.
Okay.
Yes. So,
Oh.
it
Awesome.
just drinks water.
Okay.